Hello, hello. What are today's messages? We need to do a better job of putting ourselves higher on our own to-do list. Action. What have you been avoiding on your personal to-do list? Take a break. Spend more time with loved ones. Work smarter and not harder. Prioritize them today. You can't change anyone else, just yourself. Number 33, shake up your routine, body in motion. Change how you go about your day. Bike to work or do yoga at lunchtime. Moving releases endorphins, lifting your mood. Shake it up to wake up. What are today's quotes today? When you're attracted to people, it's because of the details. Their kindness, their eyes, the fact that they can get you to laugh when you need it the most. Yes, yes. Misery might love company, but so does joy, and joy throws much better parties. Caller ID isn't enough for me. I need to know why you're calling me. The moment your gut says no, it's a no. You can unpack the details later. If you get a different me, that means I saw the real you. Text someone next time you're struggling. Be more vulnerable. Easier said than done. And the last one today. Jobs be asking me for 3 references, and I think we should start asking them the same. Ask companies for 3 employee references that are happy to see if we should work for them or not. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.